Okay, I am using destination mode to go home. Fingers crossed, but that's what this video is about. But check out this notification I got from Uber. Boost your earnings potential SNA. There's a high rider demand right now. You're just a few minutes away. I was just there. I know there's a high ride demand. Guys, when I went to Terminal A to pick up my passenger, who's a professional BMX rider, there were over 20 or 30 passengers waiting, and I was the only driver. Meaning I waited there for an hour while it was lowballing. And by the time I got there to pick up the passenger, there were 20, 30 people waiting, and I was the only driver. Just process that for a second. These apps are screwing the passengers, they're screwing the drivers, and they're just milking it. They're milking it right now. It's just ridiculous. Right now, I'm using destination mode to go towards my home. 80 minutes away, which is good. That means there's no traffic. But do you think it's really going to give me anything? After 12 hours of service and working my butt off, it's not. I have every possible option on. And I'm at Disneyland. Remember, I'm right by Disneyland, right? And it's got all these clouds going on. But guess what? I know the algorithm. It's not going to give me any love, right? It's going to give me $5 here, $10 here. So part of me was thinking, like, should I go and wait half an hour and see if I get lucky? And then I said, no. I'm going to drive home. And if I get lucky going home and I can get $15, I'll take it. But I'm not sitting here, I'm waiting. I'm tired. This is how you have to drive. You have to be your own boss. You have to understand when it's time to go home, the algorithm is not going to work for you, right? It's not designed to work for you. It has no morals. It has no ethics. And the engineers and the programmers that have designed this code, it's strictly one reason. Maximum money out of the passenger's pocket, minimum into the driver's pocket. And they're the middleman, and they have to take everything and they have to hide it in every possible way, right? Morally and ethically, it makes sense to take care of your drivers. Why don't they take care of your drivers? I'll tell you why they don't take care of us. Because they plan on replacing us with robots. They plan on replacing us with artificial intelligence, right? I figured this out for myself. And I'm letting you guys know there is nothing we can do about it. Nothing. Nothing we can do about it. But I will keep making videos, and I hope and pray that some lawyer out there, some judge out there, some lobbyist out there, some activist out there watches my channel, watches my videos, and at some point, helps us out and says, yeah, this is wrong. You know what's going to happen is when an Uber driver accidentally kills somebody because of what the app is doing and enough people die, it's going to be like drinking and driving. They will fix the app. They will do something about it. But unfortunately, drivers have to pass away. Passengers have to pass away. And it's almost like the 9/11 thing has to happen. At 9/11, 3,000 people died, right? Because of that, they passed the Patriot Act, right? Now, on, the virus that came a couple years ago on the 19th, right? We can't talk about it because we get demonetized. But when that happened, guess what? People woke up and they're like, what the hell? They made us, take these things that we put on our body, and they threatened us, and God knows what people put. By the way, I didn't take any vaccine. But the people that did, people are waking up. Eventually, I'm hoping and praying enough people out there find out that this is slavery and this is wrong, and we change the laws. And unfortunately, we need lawyers on our side. We need judges on our side. And I'm hoping and praying that they're not the lobbyists and they're not the politicians. But we'll find out what happens. And I'll let you know. I'm driving now, so my audio is not going to be good. But let's see. Who knows? Maybe we get lucky. I'm hoping that I get $15. Alrighty. I'm tired. I ended up driving home because I wanted to get home by 10:30. And Uber gave me nothing but $3, $5 out of destination mode. It was just bullshit. So I'm gonna turn this. Oh, I got a tip. Hey, God bless you. Whoever gave me a tip, God bless you. So we actually hit 200. Minimum today was 150. 200 is awesome because I drove almost 350 miles. I made a mistake going to San Clemente, and from San Clemente all the way home, I made 15 bucks. Is it the last passenger? No. I wonder who gave me a tip. I guess still gotta say thank you. Oh, 42, the Uber XL, Judy. The Placentia order gave me a $15 tip. Awesome. See, when you have great conversations with your customers and you take care of them, they generally tip you. So I got 2 tips today, and that basically saved me. So $15 on the tip, plus $15 coming back from San Clemente. I got $30 of gas money. But I did dead miles. Like the last 75 minutes, 75 miles, I just drove. I'm like, I'm too tired. Like if you look over here, what are my hours? It's ridiculous. Yeah, look at that, almost 14 and a half. By the time I get home, it'll be 15 hours online. And man, it is what it is. I'm tired. I'm actually so tired. I don't think I have any food, so I have to get McDonald's. Yesterday I had Wendy's. Oh, I'm on the wrong window. That's how tired I am. Listen to this. How you doing, boss?
Hello, 1192.
Sorry, I was just so tired, man.
That's alright.
He was like waving at me to come to this window. I was in the window back there. I'm tired. But hold on, give me a second. Look how broken this app is. I don't have any passengers. It's saying, are you stopped? Of course I'm stopped. I'm getting McDonald's. But I don't have any passengers, you freaking stupid. I'm telling you, this algorithm is broken, guys. Look at this. I don't even have any passengers right now, and it's telling me, are you stopped? Yes, I'm stopped getting McDonald's, but look, you little dumbass, I'm not even online. So why is it telling me if I'm stopped? Oh my God, dude. I'm so tired, and okay, let me tell you guys something. Because I want to end this video. Look, 860 for the week. That's good, because my goal is at least to be at 800. Now, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we can kick it up. And then Monday is always good. People should be back from vacation. I don't even know what to talk about. I'm that tired right now. But, long story short, I've been watching a lot of videos of other YouTubers, especially in Uber and gig workers, and there's some funny guys out there. Hang in there. We got this. We're gonna figure this out, because there's no way we can drive 15 hours, get no sick days, get no vacation, get no health insurance. Like, this can't survive. This can't last. This is unethical. And I don't know how we're gonna do this, but I tell you what, it's not gonna work. I'm gonna help you guys as much as I can and be a voice for you, because obviously I know how to create content. Yeah, this is just wrong. This is just wrong. Anyways, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna eat my food. Don't eat McDonald's, guys. I'm just so tired right now. And I already know if my power is gonna work at home. I've been having some power issues, water issues, and if I don't have power, I can't cook and I can't warm up anything. And by the way, I haven't eaten all day. This is from 6 in the morning till 10:30 at night. I haven't eaten a single goddamn thing. So right now I'm so tired and so hungry. I'm like, screw it. I'm just gonna eat McDonald's, and I'll deal with it tomorrow. I'm gonna say good night. But it's good for you to see videos of, here, let's do this. Turn this off. Turn this on. See, it's good for you to see videos of how hard it is and how tiring it is. Because in the morning, you see me all pumped, all ready to go, working my butt off. But now, after 15 hours, coming home with 206 bucks, I would say 150 goes in my pocket. The other 56 is for gasoline. I'm exhausted. And if I'm exhausted, that means you guys are exhausted. But don't give up hope. A lot of you are texting me, you know, down, and I didn't even make $2. I didn't even make $3. I get it, man. I'm gonna help you grow your YouTube channel. I'm gonna help you guys as much as I can. But understand, I'm just one guy, right? I gotta watch my back, and I gotta get my myself situation, but as I fix my abundance, I swear to you, every single Uber driver and gig worker, I'm gonna dedicate my life to helping you guys. Anyways, God bless you. Have a beautiful night. And if you're working in Chicago and other parts of the country where it's unsafe and people are dying, I'm praying for you guys. I'm praying for your safety. And trust me, LA is just as bad. Every passenger that comes in the car, you have no idea if someone's going to pull a gun on you or if someone's going to do something to you. And you know what? If we end up dying doing this, at least we did our job serving the planet and helping every single passenger and every single person out there. Because the passengers aren't the bad guys. Unfortunately, the bad guys are the people in Silicon Valley in the tech companies and these CEOs and these boards of these companies, the politicians, right? And we're going to change stuff. I honestly feel there's a new awakening and a new beginning coming. All right, I got to go. I'm so tired. I'm slurring now.